Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, and as you can see, that I am going to be doing a sultry smoky eye look. This is my second time trying it in a very long time. So yeah, just continue watching. So I'm just using the Instant Age Rewind concealer just to prime my eyes with. And then of course I'm just going to blend it out. This is a Morphe brush. I can't even think of what like number that is, but I'm just using it to blend that concealer out. And going into the Fall into Frost palette, you can use any black shade. You don't have to go into this palette, any black shade of course. And I'm just using a Morphe brush also, and I'm going to pack that on my lid. And as I do it as well, I'm just going to kind of blend the edges out, even though of course when I go into the second shade, you know, I'm going to blend it all together, I'm sorry, but as I go along with the black shade, I am just blending the edges out just to have, you know, a really good smooth transition for it as well. Okay, so now going into that second shade. I hate that they don't have names on them, I'm sorry, but this is the Fall into Frost palette. And you can use pretty much any shade you want to, but this is the shade I decided to go with. And so I'm going to go into it with, this is a brush that I got from Walmart. Actually, it's a really pretty good brush. So I don't know the name of it, but yeah. So I'm just going to blend that into my crease and just blending it into that black shade, making sure they blend together. I have a really good transition in between the two shades. And then of course I'm just still blending. Of course that's what you want to do. I just blend those two shades together, making sure they look basically perfect. So I'm just using what is this? This is a crown brush that I'm using. I'm just using that just to make sure it's blended in really well. This is actually one of my favorite brushes to use, just to make sure everything is blended really well. It's a really good blending brush. So yeah, that's basically just what I'm doing here. Make sure it's blended pretty good. And I kind of went back in a little bit more with that black shade, just a little bit. And then of course just blending with that other shade, just making sure it comes out together. This is like my second time doing this since wearing makeup really, so yeah. And then I'm just gonna use this ColourPop gel liner for my waterline, and of course just to tight line with a little bit. And I'm going back into that second shade, and I'm just gonna basically blend that gel liner together. Actually gonna see that I didn't really kind of smoke the bottom out, but I should go back in with my liner. I cut the clip out, but yeah. And next it's time for mascara. This is the Better Than Sex mascara that I'm using for my top lashes. And then this is Brianna style lashes by Miss A. I'm not gonna have you guys see me struggle putting them on. And this is how those look. I freaking love these lashes. I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys to check that out. And then this is a shade out of that Fall Into Frost palette that I'm going in with for my inner tear duct. And I'm actually also using that same eyeshadow shade as a highlighter. I was just curious as to how it would look as a highlighter. No, don't act like I ain't never used eyeshadow as highlight before, but that's basically what I'm doing, and it looks really good, as you can see. And I'm just using chestnut to line my lips with. And I'm going in with, I think it's Meringue by Bites Beauty. And yep, that is it. That is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and liked this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. And thank you guys for watching.